Hey guys! Great tech shouldn't necessarily cost you a fortune. Here's a set of truly affordable gadgets that can blow you away. The most dangerous rings, powerful lighters, and funniest dice you'd imagine. Plus, we'll show you the easiest new way to check your charging speeds. Don't forget to check the description box with all the links to the products. Let's go. Even such classics like dice can be merged with modern tech. These innovative dice are equipped with colorful LEDs that can be customized via a mobile app. Variability is limitless. Changing players, the dice will change the color. And on top of that, you can connect the dice either to your PC or mobile devices and use them with any compatible app. Yep, they'll interact with the games to which they're connected. Unlike the regular dice, these ones are equipped with their own little processors and don't even try to cheat. The included docking station makes them extremely easy to charge and to store. But what if the dice could also dance on your desk? These ones are sound activated, which means you can activate them with a clap, click, bang, or by throwing them like a standard dice. Just like the previous option, they're provided with an app and can be used in a huge variety of games. Oh, and since they're backlit, playing in the dark should be especially fun. What does an ideal smart home look like to you? Well, the first thing is probably the smart lighting and a full control over the smart devices. Well, Aqara Cube is made for that purpose. Just configure the Cube with the special app to control various smart devices, set your own scenes, and customize all the settings. Since the Cube recognizes 6 gestures, you can either push or shake the device to turn on or off the light in a particular room. You can also monitor and control the devices via the app wherever you are, even at the airport. The Cube is battery-powered, so you don't have to worry about charging. Very important, this thing requires a hub. Calculate and measure the power draw of your laptop or Type-C chargeable smartphone. Once you insert this thing into the USB-C port of your laptop or any other device, it starts showing 3 measurements: voltage, amps, and milliamp hours. You can also connect the additional hub to the real-time output power when charging your gadgets. All the info is completely glanceable, so even a total amateur won't have any problems. Some toys are for kids and some are for adults, but this one must be equally amusing for everyone. You don't need much to start playing, just load your rubber band bullets and find some targets to shoot at. This wooden handgun is precisely modeled after the famous Walther PPK, the one from the James Bond movies. It holds up to 5 rubber bands at a time, firing them at a 20-foot distance. Thanks to the semi-automatic mechanism, the gun is extremely easy to operate. You can fire the whole magazine in under 2 seconds and then quickly load it once again. The gun comes with 50 rubber bands, so you'll never run out of ammo. We are too dependent on our credit cards and digital wallets, so keeping some cash with you is always a wise thing to do. Okay, so this is a cash capsule that fits just a single note, and it's suitable for any currency. Your money is safely protected in there. The capsule is extremely durable since it's made of aircraft-grade aluminum. Plus, there's a special seal that ensures water protection. The clip inside the capsule holds your note firmly until one day you'll pull it out. This thing can be attached to any keyring, so it's really easy to carry. Awesome! A full-size, comfy blanket that'll fit in your pocket? Sounds like magic, but it's just thought-through design. The blanket is big enough to fit you and your friend. Made of nylon and polyester, the blanket is both water-repellent and puncture-resistant. There are 2 ways to secure the blanket: ground stakes and special corner pockets that can be filled with sand. When you're ready to move on, folding the blanket back is a matter of seconds. Since it weighs under 3.5 ounces, it'll be barely noticeable in your pocket. That's a must-have for hikers and beach lovers. Self-defense items aren't about style, but this ring is an exception. The minimalist design makes it perfectly suitable for men and women. The defensive side of the ring is hidden, so you're the only one who knows about it. There's a tiny button that quickly releases the built-in blade. It's small, yet fairly tough and sharp. Much sharper than you'd expect from a ring. This foldable knife stands out with a super clean and modern look. One couldn't even guess it's a knife. But as you unfold it, you'll see the sharp and durable stainless steel blade. It's already compact and lightweight, but here's a leaner twin. The keychain-sized version looks almost like a flash drive, and it weighs under 1.2 ounces. It's really easy to attach this knife to any keychain, especially with the additional magnetic closure. This cutie can actually handle up to 3 pounds of weight, which is quite impressive, and once you need to remove it, You just slightly pull it. All the mess with the key rings is gone. Lightsabers are a deadly weapon, but even the toy-like models can be quite dangerous. But if you want to challenge your friends to a duel, this foam saber is the best option. The blade is soft, harmless, yet incredibly durable, so it's ready to survive the hardest battles, and despite the innovative materials, the lightsaber looks completely realistic. Naturally, the blade lights up with several different colors, looking like an actual laser. You're free to switch the color using the dedicated mobile app. In addition, each hit and swing of this saber is provided with an authentic sound. Thanks to the smart movement detection, all the sounds are precisely matched with your actions. A USB cable is all it takes for charging. Wish all the Siths used these foam blades. This gadget was designed to free your hands. It saves you from holding your smartphone when you have a bunch of other things to do, like driving, working out, or cooking. This holder is suitable for almost any situation. It uses a set of 8 neodymium magnets to make sure your phone is firmly attached. And the steel wires on both sides can be fixed in dozens of different ways. You can wrap them around your bike wheel, hang on the headrest, or fold them into a perfect desk stand. What's more, your phone remains fully rotatable, so you're free to use it in both landscape and portrait modes. It's time to break free. Made of durable zinc alloy, this thing is elegant and tough at the same time. But most importantly, this isn't just a knife. There's an integrated butane lighter right inside the handle, so this dragon can literally spit fire with the push of a button. Its red eyes will also light up, letting everyone know the beast is alive. Just in case you're afraid of dragons, but you still need a strong flame, this 4-torch lighter should be more than enough. The lighter looks modern and clean with its metal body and various bright colors. In addition, it's really easy to refill the tank when needed and adjust the flames. And here's another great option with the same 4-torch structure. With its beautiful color-changing flame, this thing will immediately attract everyone's attention. The lighter itself is elegant and compact. You can rely on it even on the windiest days. Are you one of those people who always carries 2 smartphones? Then here's something special for you. This unique accessory uses some powerful magnets to snap your 2 phones together so they become much easier to carry and harder to lose. But you can still access the cameras and flashlights whenever you need them. No need to remove the other phone. It simply rotates, then gets back into place. If not for the second phone, you might also use this accessory to firmly attach your power bank. But if you leave it somewhere, you'll actually lose both.